Hi guys, I'm gonna draw today. So I have this LOL cool pencil. It has all of their clothes on the pencil. So I'm gonna draw the LOL. I know I'm not really good at drawing LOLs. I'm just gonna draw a smiley. Okay, so I've drawn my picture. Well, guys, I probably have to come closer so that you can really see it. Bye, guys. Hit the like